Did you know why the Ottoman Sultan called this place the Eye of the World? In this video you will find out. Fasten your seatbelts and let's fly up into the sky to unravel this mystery. But before we reveal this question, I would appreciate a like and a subscription, as the creation of such videos involves a lot of effort. Nestled along the picturesque Black Sea coastline in Turkey's northern Black Sea region, Amasra is a hidden gem that effortlessly blends history, natural beauty, and modern allure. This small town, with its rich heritage and stunning landscapes, offers visitors a unique and captivating experience. Amasra boasts a history that dates back over 3,000 years, making it a treasure trove of historical remnants. It was founded by the Greeks and later became part of the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires. Throughout its storied past, Amasra has been a hub for trade, culture, and maritime activities. In 1460, Sultan Mehmed II, commonly known as Fatih Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror of Constantinople, today's Istanbul, went to conquer the town of Amasra, which was at that time under the protection of the Genoese. The Sultan stopped at a strategic point with his teacher Akşemseddin and looked at this beautiful town from the top and expressed his fascination by saying, "Lala, Lala, is this the eye of the world?" Mehmed the Conqueror, who was very impressed by the beauty of the city, sent a message to the castle commander saying, "I don't want to take such a beautiful place by damaging it. Bring me the key to the castle." Intimidated by the military strength and strategic positioning of the Ottomans, the castle commander had no choice but to surrender and hand over the keys to the Sultan so that he could easily take the place without damaging it. The reason why the Ottoman Sultan called Amasra the Eye of the World was because of the town's strategic and geographical importance. Its unique geography, with an island connected to the mainland by a narrow causeway, provided it with natural defense capabilities and made it an important location during the time of the Ottoman Empire to secure the Black Sea coastline. The term, the Eye of the World, underscored its significance, not only as a strategic point but also for its beauty and charm. Even today, Amasra's highlights include the iconic Amasra Castle, ancient rock tombs, and the Museum of Amasra, offering a glimpse into its rich heritage. Nature lovers will be drawn to its pristine beaches and lush landscapes. Amasra is a seafood paradise, serving freshly caught fish in local restaurants. Modern amenities blend seamlessly with historical charm, making it a comfortable destination. So do not hesitate to experience the magic of Amasra, where history, nature, and culture converge on the beautiful Black Sea coast. What do you think? Is the Sultan's admiration for Amasra justified? Let me know in the comments. If you don't want to miss more videos like this, subscribe to my channel Elacora Global and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.